Good morning, students. Let us start chapter number 1, Introduction to Multimedia. Communication is an integral part of our life. We use various means of communication like radio, newspaper, television, theater, movies, internet, and others. All these medium help us gain knowledge or educate us. A single medium of information is just not enough to convey meaningful messages to variety of audiences. Multimedia is all about adding various effects to make communication effective. The term multimedia has been coined from two terms, multiple and media. Hence, multimedia means usage of multiple media to communicate. Multimedia is a combination of different media elements like text, audio, graphics, video, and animation. The combination of all the media elements makes the communication more structured and understandable to the user. Multimedia is nowadays used in every field like education, theater, advertising, fashion, games, etc. Computers play a vital role in the development of these media elements. A computer capable of handling text, graphics, audio, video, and animation is sometimes called multimedia computer. Elements of multimedia. Let us discuss the first element of multimedia, that is text. Including text in multimedia is the basic step towards development of multimedia presentation. Text is used to communicate information to the user. Proper use of text in multimedia presentation will help to communicate the idea and messages to the user. Text can be any type, a word, a single line, or a paragraph. The textual data or multimedia can be developed using any text editor. We can even use word processing software like OpenOffice Writer or MS Word to create textual data. The text can have different type, size, color, and style to suit the professional requirement of the multimedia software. Observe the sample shown in figure 1.3. Does they look the same? This is because they have a different typeface, font, and size. A typeface is family of characters or letters which have similar look. A typeface is family of characters or letters which have similar look. For example, Times, Arial, Courier, and other. Typefaces have different style and size known as font. Styles are italic, bold, underlined, and others. Font size is the distance between the top of the letter to the bottom point. It is expressed in points, for example 12 point, 20 point, and so on. For example, if we have a font of Times New Roman 14 point, then Times New Roman is style and 14 point is size. Typeface is categorized into serif and sans serif. Serif is a little decoration at the end of the character. Times, Century, Bookman are some examples of serif fonts.